Hey, good afternoon. This is Rhonda. Really? It says I can't do this while I'm live. I'm supposed to rotate my phone. This is Rhonda Schaefer here from Fairport, New York, enjoying one of the last days outside. Who knows how many more beautiful days we're going to have like this. Sun's out, no jacket, notice that. I just wanted to check in with everybody, see how you're doing, and let you know that life is good, no complaints. And I'm getting all these little messages up here that I've never seen before, so I'll have to check that out at another time. Life is good, and fall is here. I drove around Binghamton the other day and noticed that the leaves are starting to change, and in some areas near the southern tier, which is the New York-Pennsylvania border, towards western New York, that a little more so down there. But the weather's beautiful. There's still not as much traffic out there as I've seen in years past while driving around and going on my assignments. But just want to check in with everybody. I hope business is good for you. I've been crazy busy lately and a little bit behind on my videos by one video after this one, so there should be another one coming later on this evening via YouTube. Amber, hello. I'm sorry I've been missing your noontime motivations. I just have not been around, and it's nice. It's nice to get out and be about, but it can be exhausting too. Hang in there if you're struggling. I just had a couple days where I kept telling my mind to shift because I have these moments of wanting to give up, putting a lot into something, and you know, it takes time, and I want to get impatient and have it happen today, but it's not going to. So have a wonderful fall day. Stay warm, and may it stay warm, and we will see you the next time. Let me know what you guys want me to talk about. What do you need? And with that, like, comment, share. If you found any value in this video about not much about anything, and we'll see you the next time.